Tired of scooping litter every day? In 2025, automatic litter boxes are smarter, safer, and way more hygienic. We tested the latest models with app control, odor management, and multi-cat capacity to find the ones that actually work. Whether you've got one picky cat or a whole crew, these picks are built to keep things clean, without the hassle. This one's built for convenience and control. It features a large capacity waste bin, automatic cleaning system, and app control so you can schedule cleanings or monitor usage remotely. The safety system prevents operation when your cat is inside, and it comes with 2 rolls of garbage bags to get you started. Check the description below for product links and best prices. Neakasa M1 open-top, self-cleaning cat litter box. Designed for larger cats or multi-cat homes, this box has an open-top design that feels less confining. It uses smart sensors to trigger cleaning cycles and includes odor-free waste disposal with trash bags. The app lets you track usage and control cleaning remotely. Check the description below for product links and best prices. Furoomatepet self-cleaning cat litter box. This one's all about space and safety. It has an extra-large litter chamber, advanced safety sensors, and a fully automatic cleaning system. The open-top design makes it easy for cats to enter and exit, and it's ideal for homes with multiple cats. Check the description below for product links and best prices. PetCove self-cleaning litter box. A smart covered option with odor control, auto safety sensors, and Wi-Fi compatibility. It's designed for multi-cat households and includes app control for remote monitoring. The covered design helps trap smells and gives cats privacy while keeping the mess contained. Check the description below for product links and best prices. This one's a heavy-duty pick with a massive 95-liter capacity, perfect for multiple cats. It features app control, safety sensors, and a removable washable liner for easy cleaning. Comes with 2 rolls of garbage bags, and the build is sturdy enough for long-term use. Check the description below for product links and best prices. From open-top designs to smart sensors and massive waste bins, these litter boxes make cat care way easier. We broke down the features so you can find the right fit for your space and your feline crew. Check the description below for product links and best prices, and subscribe for more gear that actually earns its spot. Got a favorite? Drop it in the comments.